Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to study English class 4 lesson number 6, the story of Dr. Dolittle. As we have completed this whole chapter, today we are going to do its exercise. It is page number 68. Let's start. Answer the following questions. Question number A is, who followed Dr. Dolittle? And its answer is, the dogs and children followed Dr. Dolittle. This is the answer of question number A. Question number B. Did Dr. Dolittle live alone? Its answer is no. He lived with his sister Sarah. This is the answer of question number B. Question number C. How many different kinds of pets lived with Dr. Dolittle? And its answer is a duck, a dog, a parrot, an owl, goldfish, rabbits, white mice, a squirrel, a hedgehog, a cow and a calf, an old lame horse, chicken, and many other animals lived with Dr. Dolittle. This is the answer of question number C. Question number D. What did Dr. Dolittle have to say about the best people? And its answer is, he says he likes the animals better than he likes the best people. This is the answer of question number D. Question number E. Who gave Dr. Dolittle the idea to become an animal doctor? And its answer is, the Cats Meet Man gave the idea. This is the answer of question number E. Question number F. What did the parrot say to Dr. Dolittle in its own language? What did that mean in English? And its answer is, she says ka hui e fi fi, which means, is the porridge hard yet? This is the answer of question number F. Question number G. What did Dr. Dolittle write in his butcher's book? And its answer is, Dr. Dolittle wrote down the birds' alphabets and birds' words in his butcher's book. This is the answer of question number G. Question number 2. Answer the questions about this line from the story. You are ridiculous, said his sister and walked out of the room. Question number A is, who is speaking and to whom? Question number B. What have the brother and sister been speaking about? Question number C. Why does the speaker get upset and leave the room? Question number D. What happened after this? And answers are, answer of A is Sarah Dolittle to her brother Dr. Dolittle. Answer of question number B. They were speaking about their different views on Dr. Dolittle's habit of keeping so many animals in the house and how this has affected the town people's view of him. Sarah left the room because Dr. Dolittle says he likes animals more than he likes the best people. She is upset, frustrated, and cross with him. This is the answer of B. C. The answer of D is, the doctor got more and more animals. People came to see him less and less until his only visitor was the cat's milkman. This is the answer of D. Part B, working with words. Fill in the blanks with words from the story. You will not find these sentences in the story. First one is, the people did not know his name, but when they saw him on the road, they knew him by sight. By sight. Next is, Dr. Dolittle's house was not in the town but on the edge of the town. ब्लैंक में आएगा edge. Next, the doctor's favorite pets were a duck, a dog, and a parrot. Next is, the children were not happy and grumbled. grumbled, grumbled all day because they could not go out. Next, he rode such a ridiculous hat. He wore such a ridiculous hat that the others all laughed and made fun of him. Next, after he fell over, the boy picked him up and dusted his shirt. ये वर्ड क्या है? Dusted, D-U-S-T-E-D, dusted. Next, the children rushed out of the class to see the parades passing along the road. Next is infinitives. The verb which have to before, it is called infinitive. ऐसा verb जिससे पहले to आ जाए उसको infinitive verb कहा जाता है. ठीक है. Question is, underline the infinitives in the following sentences. In some sentences there is no infinitives. जिस verb से पहले to आएगा वो infinitive होगा. ठीक है. The boy wanted to enter the playground. To enter is the infinitive. He tried to climb. Climb से पहले to आ गया इसलिए ये भी infinitive है. The high wall around the playground. When he got is verb, but there is no to. To इससे पहले नहीं लगा इसलिए ये infinitive नहीं है. ठीक है. To the top, the park keepers saw him. The keepers tried to catch him. Catch से पहले to आ गया इसलिए ये भी infinitive है. He looked at the keeper and decided to jump. Jump से पहले to आ गया इसलिए ये भी infinitive है. Next is, change these sentences into indirect speeches. First is, my father is a carpenter, he said. Next, I have a good idea, said the girl. I am the greatest magician in the world, said the old man. I am your friend, said the visitor. The indirect speeches of all these sentences are, first one is, he said that his father was a carpenter. B, the girl said that she had a good idea. C, the old man said that he was the greatest magician in the world. D, the visitor said that he was my or his friend. Next two is, change the following from direct to indirect speeches. First is, are you eating an apple? She asked him. Is it raining? She asked him. Is your school very big? She asked her. Is the meeting over? They asked him. Did you buy the cake? She asked me. And the indirect speeches are, A is, she asked him if he was eating an apple. B, she asked him if it was raining. C, she asked her if her school was very big. D, they asked him if the meeting was over. E, she asked me if I had bought the cake. Next, question number 3. Now try to make these into questions in direct speech. First one is, he asked Meena if she was 10 years old. She asked if he liked the book. She wondered if the post office was over there, and the answers are, first one is start with the comma. Mina, are you 10-year-old? Question mark. He asked. Next is, did you like the book? Question mark. She asked. Is the post office over there? Question mark, comma. She wondered. Today we have completed this whole chapter with exercise. Allah Hafiz.